had no idea what Bitcoin mining was before this. I thought it looked cool on Indeed, so I went ahead and applied for it. I'm glad that I picked that decision. Every day is like a new learning point for me.
I mean, I was a little nervous, but I've caught on really, really well, so I love it.
For the most part, we'll teach you what to do. You'll probably have to have a basic understanding of computers and just the drive to go forward and with all the projects and whatnot.
We're not just working with just computers. You know, there is manual labor that goes into it. There's a lot of other things. You know, you're going to be using a drill, going up in a lift. Ask every question. Any question that you have, ask it. You know, don't feel bad in asking it, and it's a great place to work for.
PPE's 100%. It was a little weird to start out with, but I got used to it.
That is one of the biggest things out here, is making sure everybody is safe.
We were diagnosing and debuilding. We'll do hand signs to try to communicate better. We'll diagnose these miners that are like, something's wrong with them, and then we'll send it over here for testing.
We do our hash boards in here, we do PSUs, we do fans. You know, that's what our tables are in here for. We have 3 different tables in here that correlates. You're doing fans, you're doing hash boards, and you're doing PSUs.
Like our smaller teams consist of like 2 people as a whole. I think we have like 8 or 9 people so far.
Yeah, I think we have 9, including Michelle being our assistant supervisor. It's pretty good. I mean, I love my crew. We're pretty good about communicating of what needs to be done, what, you know what I mean, what everybody is doing at that point. So we're pretty good with communication. Yeah, we always look forward to our breaks just so we can sit down and hang out with the other person, you know, 'cause it feels nice to see everybody's faces all right there. It's different. It's very different. I mean, I come from just bartending and everything like that. I have some cybersecurity background, but you know, I love it. I like it. I like working out here. Everybody is very tight-knit. Everybody knows each other. You know, everybody's really friendly. Everybody's willing to help you if you need help.
I used to work a lot of technician trades, but this is like the most close I felt with a group of people.
It's changed me a lot. It's made me grow up a little bit, you know, and start thinking about more of a career and everything like that, and that's what I found here as a career.